What's going on, everybody? Today we're making the DC classic chicken wings french fries with mumbo sauce, so you gotta check this out. Fast as I'm gonna talk slow. Get all the ingredients out. Get your chicken wings, french fries, ginger, lemon. You got your soy sauce, ketchup. Come on with those mumbo sauce ingredients. Let's go to work, people. Now season up your flour and your chicken and mix that flour in. Now check this out. We're gonna get that mumbo sauce going with a little bit of soy sauce, ketchup, sugar, a little bit of vinegar and pineapple juice with that lemon. Kick things up with a little bit of cayenne. Mix it up, stir it up, and make it look good, people. Now get those french fries in the air fryer and start to fry up your beautiful chicken wings. Come on now, look at that bubbling oil. We're gonna spread that beautiful mumbo sauce right on top, and we're gonna get it on top of those french fries too. Whew, come on now, you know what we doing. We treating ourselves. We ain't cheating ourselves out here. Bon appetit. Y'all better like, follow, and share. DC, y'all gotta show me some love on this one. Your boy done outdid himself. Summer is playing no games out here. Come on now.